Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix no service on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Mobile Services. Next, select Network Selection and ensure the toggle for Automatic is enabled. Go back and tap Mobile Data Options, then Voice and Data, and set it to highest available. After that, return to the main settings page, scroll down and tap General. Then select Date and Time and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Incorrect time settings can cause the no service issue. If the signal is still unavailable, toggle airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right, enable airplane mode for a few seconds, then disable it and check for signal. If the issue persists, update your iPhone. Go to Settings then, General then, Software Update and install any available updates. Still no signal? Reset your network settings by going to Settings after that, General. Then transfer or reset iPhone then. Reset then. Reset network settings. Enter your screen passcode and confirm. If the problem continues, erase all content and settings. Go to Settings then, General then, transfer or reset iPhone then, erase all content and settings, and confirm. Now check your signal. Your iPhone should display network service again. So that's basically how you can fix no service on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.